What is BMW Ultimate Care and why should you care about it? Well, stay tuned in this video. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. BMW Ultimate Care is a scheduled service plan that comes standard on every single new BMW model. It covers a wide range of services, including all of those listed here, and also includes BMW Teleservices, which allows the vehicle to remotely connect to our dealership network and inform you of upcoming services, and BMW Roadside Assistance, which is open 24/7, 365. You can also extend BMW Ultimate Care by another 2 years or 39,000 miles to give you a total of 5 years and 75,000 miles of coverage. And if that's not enough for you, or if you drive your car pretty hard, like a lot of BMW enthusiasts, you're going to want to consider BMW Ultimate Care Plus. This includes all of the same services as BMW Ultimate Care, but also includes some specific wear and tear items like wiper blades, brake pads, and manual transmission clutches. So for all of you M3 and M4 drivers out there, we've got you covered as well. And for our customers driving older BMW models, such as cars over 5 years old or with more than 60,000 miles, BMW is also offering a 3-year unlimited oil and oil filter change service for just $250, which is a big savings, especially if you drive a V8 model, where it'll save you over $210 in just 3 visits. Definitely something to look into. Thank you all for watching the video. Hope you learned something about BMW Ultimate Care. Make sure to leave a like and a comment below. And just like Ultimate Care, we're here to look out for you too at Patrick BMW. So if you need any help with parts, service, or sales, number is right down below. We'll be happy to help you out with whatever you need. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to check out our social media channels as well. Have a great day.